Alright guys, how's it going? As you can see right now, the gems and coins are absolutely exploding in my account, going totally crazy. So stick with me and watch this video carefully because every step matters if you want the same results. Let's keep going step by step guys. First open up your phone settings and get ready to follow along carefully. Go to your phone settings, tap on apps, then hit the search bar and type DLS. As you can see, we tap right here and type DLS. Now tap on the game, scroll down and go into battery. As you can see, switch it to unrestricted so the game runs with no limits. Now back out of settings and open up Google Chrome, works on both iPhone and Android. Now at the top tap the three dots, go into Chrome settings, then head down to privacy and security. Once you're inside that option, search for do not track and tap it. Now make sure this setting is turned off stone because it's super important for the next step. Alright guys, now go back and in the search bar type this website. Double check the spelling carefully my friends, because this website needs full focus players. Every single step matters here. As you can see, this is the website's interface, so focus up. Now we go inside and select v3-DLS. Perfect, we made it here guys. This is the main interface we'll be working on. As you can see, this field is asking for your game info. So now we're gonna head back into the game and I'll show you exactly how to grab it. Now go into the game settings and as you can see, scroll down and tap on advanced. Then tap on system info. After that hit the copy data button and go back to the website. A great job guys, we're here now. Paste your game data right into this field. Be super careful and accurate with it, pro players. After that hit verify and then click next step. After clicking next step, choose your phone system, Android or iPhone, and then select how many resources you want, just like you see right here. Now the site is sending your username and the resources you picked straight to the server. Just hang tight and let it process. Listen up guys, this is the key step. The site is in high demand, so to stop reselling it needs real human verification. You'll see two servers to pick from, each country has its own system. The check is simple, maybe download an app, confirm an email or verify your phone with a quick code. Finish the tasks, follow carefully, and once done, your resources get delivered right away. This is the final step that makes it all legit. Let's go, my friends. The process just worked. Finally. Now it's time to jump back into the game and see those resources live in action. Get hyped because this is the moment we've been waiting for.